OpenSea, for instance, defines some standards. If you go to the documents of OpenSea, you are going to notice how to add rich metadata to your ERC 721. Okay? And the first thing they mention is OpenSea is basically getting metadata, but they are getting metadata from the URI that you are defining within your own token. So to find the URI, they use the token URI method. And then by obtaining that token URI, they basically are going to get all the information that they are going to use to render in the UI. For instance, in this example, you can see that the ERC 721 contract has associated a URI. And this URI is going to return this metadata that the OpenSea user interface is going to use to render all the information of the NFT. Okay? Here, for instance, the result of calling token URI in this NFT will return this URL. And then this URL is going to be used to retrieve the metadata. So if we go to this URL, you are going to see that this is simply a JSON object.